Hello friends, welcome to my channel QApedia and welcome to my blog qapedia.com. Today the topic that we are going to discuss is why is software testing important. So in that topic there are some subtopics that we are going to discuss and those will be importance of software testing. We'll see some example. We'll see the example of Nissan car. Then we'll see one more example. In that we'll see Starbucks example. And after that we'll discuss benefits of software testing and then the conclusion and then summary of the session. So let's start our session. Importance of software testing. So in the last session we had seen what is software testing, and in this session we are going to see why is software testing important, what is the importance of software testing, and why should we do software testing. Okay, so in order to understand this we will have to see some examples. So let's see our first example. Our first example is of Nissan cars. So let's see this example of Nissan cars. Nissan is a billion-dollar company and it is known for car manufacturing, selling, and its brand value is too good. But there was an incident where Nissan had to recall its 1 million cars from market. The reason behind that was software failure in the airbag system of the car, which caused two major accidents. What does this mean? This means that the software testing of the airbags was not done properly. Now, because of this incident, company had a huge loss in terms of money, and it was a prestige issue as the company's image was damaged, and it was causing life threats as well to the customers. Okay, then let's see the second example. Second example is related to Starbucks. Starbucks is a very big brand for coffee and is known for giving a different kind of environment or experience to its coffee lovers, and they make a lots of money as they charge very high price for serving coffee to its customers. But suddenly Starbucks was forced to close its 60% stores in US and Canada. And the reason behind that was software failure in the POS system. At one point, they had to serve free coffees because they were unable to process the transaction. What does this mean? This means that the software testing of the POS system was not done properly. Now, because of this incident, company had a huge loss in terms of money, and then it was a prestige issue as the company's image was damaged, and they had to close 60% of their stores in US and Canada, and company's share price went down and the investors were in big loss. Now, from the two examples stated above, it's very clear that software testing is very important, and if it is not done properly, then what types of problem does it cause? So let's see the benefits of software testing. We have some benefits. The first one is company saves a lots of money. So we have seen in the above examples that Nissan and Starbucks, both the companies have had huge losses because of software testing was not done properly. So they could have saved a lots of money if they had done software testing properly. Then product failure is prevented. As we have seen in the above example that Nissan had launched 1 million cars where airbag system was not working properly, and Starbucks had to give free coffees to the customer because they couldn't process the transaction in their POS system. And this shows a complete failure of the product. So we can prevent product failure if software testing is done properly. Then the third one is brand image improves. If the company launches a failed product in the market, then their brand image is also spoiled. So company can improve their brand image if they are launching a product which never fails in market. The third is security. Now, security became a big challenge in front of Nissan cars when there were two major accidents because of the software issues in the airbags in the car. So if they had done software testing properly, then they could have stopped those two major accidents and customers' security would have been ensured. The fifth one is company always delivers a quality product. Now this point is same like the second product, that product failure is prevented. Now if we will do a proper software testing, then a quality product will be delivered because the product will not be failed in the market. Then customer loyalty. Now, company gains customer loyalty if a company always delivers a quality product to the customer. Now we have seen this in the example of Nissan, that there were two major accidents, so the customer's loyalty would have been reduced on the company. So these are some benefits of software testing. Now conclusion. Now from the above two examples of Nissan cars and Starbucks coffee, we can conclude that it's very important to do software testing, and we can we can see many benefits of software testing, which we have already seen in the benefits of software testing section. Now the summary of the session is, we have covered below topics today, like importance of software testing, disadvantage of not doing software testing, we have seen example of Nissan cars, disadvantage of not doing software testing, we have seen examples of Starbucks coffee, and then benefits of software testing. Now that's it for the session, and the question for this session is that provide some example of some company where they had huge losses due to not doing software testing properly. So that's it for this session, and you can provide your example in the comment section, and if you want to get the notes of this particular session, then you can go to this particular blog, qapedia.com, why is software testing important. So that's it for the session. Thank you very much, guys.